So very often when we think about how do we get more people to take sustainable actions, we think policy, we think pushing, and there's a real opportunity if you can actually figure out what people want and latch on designs to what people want.
We found that information, if given like the last climate action plan, which was a 200-page document, is just too much for residents to sit down and read through.
It was very extensive. It was a very detailed plan, and people like simple things.
A lot of these things, it's not that people don't believe in climate change or this or that. It's just that it's not their top priority.
So now they're making a new climate action plan, and they want us to help them create a process to make this new plan more usable and widespread.
One of the ideas that the team came up with was Inchworm. So we suggested releasing it slowly over the course of a year and letting people really dive into the information and into each topic. Maybe if you release a monthly, the first month would be how you can address water issues, saving water in your home, and then maybe the next month could be waste issues, how do you address food waste and composting, and that kind of continuing throughout the year until every topic within the climate action plan is addressed. We've played around with who our target demographic is, and right now we're catering to kids because if you design for kids, you design for everybody.
Yeah, I'm really excited about this team's concept of the inchworm. Sometimes with paradigm shifting innovations, nobody really thinks of it until you hear it, and then you immediately think, someone must be doing this. This is so obvious, right? So the idea of, instead of releasing a 170-page action plan from a municipality, but instead rolling it out chapter by chapter and making those actions easier to digest and follow up on for the residents, as then also like building PR and momentum is the sort of thing like you hear I've explained this a number of times since the team came up with that idea, and everyone's like, well, yeah, that sounds obvious. Like, what's innovative about it? And I'm like, well, what's innovative about it is we can't find another municipality in the world yet that has taken this approach. So that really simple yet potentially like, duh, this is, of course, the way it should be doing it, was one of the biggest successes and a measure of really how effective the team was in embracing the process of innovation.